Okay, so now we are going to talk about loft. So if you see over here, after extrude we will get this option known as loft. If we click over here, obviously we are not gonna get anything. So let's do one thing. Let's create one circle over here, and orientation, let's change this up to, let's say, X and Z, like that, and move this loft inside this. I mean, move this circle spline inside this loft like this. So as soon as we do that, obviously we will get this kind of structure. Basically we will get some mesh for this. Now let's press and D on our keyboard so we can see the edges like this. Now let's select this loft, and obviously you will get this kind of options over here. But what is the use of it? Now suppose if I select this circle, and if I hold control and I try to create duplicate of this, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of shape. So this is my duplicate. Now if I select this circle and if I decrease the radius of it, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of shape. Now with the help of that, I can create different shape. Like suppose select this circle, again I will hold control and create one duplicate, and this time I'm going to increase the radius of it. Again by holding control, I am going to create one duplicate, and I'll bring this totally up to here, let's say, like this. And again by holding control, I'll create one duplicate, and this time I'm going to decrease the radius of it, let's say somewhere around over here. And again I'm going to create one duplicate by holding control, but this time I'm going to move this downwards like this. So if you see this, now we will get this kind of structure. So that's the basic use of loft. With the help of this, we can create different models. So this is the basic use, and if you go inside this loft, you will get this mesh subdivision on U. If I increase this value, I'll get this kind of increasing segments on this U. Then on V, obviously we will get this kind of segments. Then we will go this to the isosperm subdivision. If you increase it, as you, I still don't know what is the use of it, so let's forget about it. Then you will get this caps. It's similar like extrude caps, and that's same the option. If you go to the fillet, as you guys can see, we will get something like this. If you go to the fillet cap, you will get this kind of bevel type thing on the edge. You can increase the radius and increase the segments. And similarly at end, which means over here, if you choose fillet cap, you will get something like this. You can increase this and you can increase the radius of it. Okay, and if I press NA on my keyboard, so if you see, your model will look like that. So that's just the basic use. With the help of that, we are going to create some different models in future videos. Right now you should understand that this is how you can use this loft option.